Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make the Asian cucumber salad. This salad is unbelievable. It's a great way to use up your cucumbers. I will say that I like mine on the spicy side, so if you don't like it that spicy, make sure you scale back on the chili oil because it can get quite spicy. But other than that, there's absolutely nothing I would change about this recipe because it's so good. It's fantastic. So again, this is just my take. There's probably so many other variations out there, but I'm telling you, this one is absolutely fantastic. So I hope you guys give it a try.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.